Okay, so yes, there is actually, yeah, maybe actually less than a liter left here. So definitely put in more than a, 2.3. I wonder. Doesn't say nicht überfüllen anywhere. So, and I'm doing what our good friend Justin Ballou does. Fill it up until it starts dripping out. So I think I'm good. So it's 2.3 liters. Perhaps you're not supposed to quite fill as much, but that's what I've done. Your mileage may vary. So I'm going to torque that also to the same torque. And then clean up this mess here. So that's not such a huge amount of torque. I think they were torqued really crazy tight. And besides, it hadn't been open for 16 years, so 17 years.